The ocean roars majestically beneath a twilight sky, waves crashing against jagged rocks silhouetted by the setting sun.
Today's the day. I can feel it. I'm going to find something extraordinary.
Lily, darkness looms over Rivermoor. An insidious shadow feeds on fear and doubt, sowing chaos and distrust among the townsfolk. You must awaken the values of courage, honesty, selflessness, and understanding to restore light to your town.
What's happening? Who are you?
Is this for real? Can we really help?
This must be the trial of honesty. We need to face our truths.
You think you're brave? Lies will always find you.
I've always wanted to be the best, but I've hidden who I really am.
We need to work together. I think it's about confronting our fears head on.
Welcome, brave hearts. I can grant your deepest desires, but there's a catch. You must abandon your friends to claim your dreams.
No, our friendship is more valuable than any wish. We are the guardians of our town. We will not allow darkness to prevail. I can't believe we did it. We saved Rivermoor and each other in the process. Next time, let's plan our adventures with fewer cliffhangers. And definitely a snack break.
And remember to pack the adventure map. We don't want to get lost again.
I can't wait to see what our next adventure will look like. We'll be ready for anything.
Join us for more thrilling adventures. Like, subscribe, and share for stories that inspire hope, courage, and friendship.